Today we have salad. For this, we need tuna without oil. You can take any natural canned fish without oil. Eggs, onions and green onions. For filling I will use Greek yogurt, mustard, soy sauce and salt and pepper. Let's begin. Must cut everything. Open a can onion cut. The thinner you cut the onion, the better it will be for you. Our chief pilot won't throw you overboard if you cut your onion well enough. Yes, cut the onion. Fish laid out. The fish can be cut into pieces. But don't eat in secret. Lay out the onion. Now cut the eggs. So we cut 4 eggs. Lay the eggs. You know, there is a lot of salad. This is not a one-time meal and not for one person. Then cut the green onion. Spread the onion out. And now I make salad dressing. I will be using low-fat Greek yogurt, about 4 tablespoons for this salad bowl. I will also add mustard here. It is very spicy. This is to make the captain happy. I took half a teaspoon. Black pepper. Soy sauce about a tablespoon. Mix everything. I haven't salted the salad yet because canning with salt, soy sauce is also quite salty. So I'll dress the salad first, try it, and then decide whether to add salt or not. Mix thoroughly. The salad is ready. Eat with pleasure. Cosmic greetings. Your intergalactic chef.